Let's learn 5 phrasal verbs with break, including real-life picture examples. Firstly, break away. This means to separate from the group or escape. For example, he's broken away from the rest. I'm going to win hundreds. Breakdown. This means to start crying or when a machine stops working. For example, oh no, my car is broken down in the middle of nowhere. Break into. This means to force entry into a building, vehicle, or object. For example, I think I've worked out who broke into the shop. Break out. This means to escape from somewhere. For example, I can't take any more. I'm breaking out. And finally, break out in. This means develop a condition. For example, number 4 has broken out in a cold sweat. He did it. Don't forget to visit the website and subscribe to our channels for more phrasal verbs.